let's talk about how did we get here?
Those humbling beginnings.
And it starts with each and every one of us cleaned toilets, scrubbed, messed up VCT floor, didn't do carpet cleaning right. I think we soaked the carpet at one point.
Oh, man.
Window washing. I'm the worst window washer. But all this is going, you guys, is we did everything ourselves first, starting with Marley and Tony. But Marley, you were a makeup artist. So what the hell were you, how the hell did you get into cleaning?
Well, I was a makeup artist for MAC Cosmetics for maybe 7 or 8 years. I don't know. Loved the artistry. Then we turned into numbers at the end. Like it wasn't, they took away the fun. So I was like, I gotta go.
Marley was a very sought out makeup artist. So
I should do it.
To me,
I thought that was gonna be another business idea.
Oh my gosh, I remember people say, "Hey, can I get Marley's number?" You know, and for a wedding. Then I would find out, like, man, Marley's killing it. You know, I'm like, how do we piggyback on that? You know, I'll do makeup. I don't care. But that goes to show you, though. You know, if you're not happy with what you're doing,
right?
It's not gonna happen,
dude. And it does. I mean, let's be real too, Mar. Like, you came home the last couple times crying. You were crying.
Was not happy
you were
at all.
not happy. She was upset.
Yeah.
And I was like, I was feeling it.
Well,
I wasn't happy either.
Well, and that's what happens when you take love out of something that you love to do.
Yeah.
Like,
no, I get it.
I still, to this day, I love makeup. But when you take the love out of it, or when somebody else takes the love out of it, and it just becomes a job, you know, it's not fun anymore. So the timing was right, and an opportunity presented itself, and here we are. We were presented with something great that actually we didn't know if it was going to be great or not.
Because I'll tell you, and this is what I mean, I've shared already, is in the first year, even 2 years, I still had another job. But you guys got to believe that when we went all in, that's when we seen the reward.
We bit off more than we can chew at first.
Yeah, because think about the numbers too. Like, so everybody knows, I mean, none of us came from business ownership. We didn't have any ideas how, you know, doing your tax returns work. We didn't know how to manage cash flow. We didn't know how to bill. We knew nothing.
Nothing.
Let alone cleaning. Let alone how to clean properly and follow those procedures, right? So it just it goes to show, like, this is why I'm just so strong on the fact of you have to do the cleaning first.
Absolutely.
Right? Because I think when we started cleaning first, we started to understand, man, why is this account taking so long? Man, how can we finish this one so fast?
Right.
Man, this chemical sucks.
Yeah.
Oh man, that broom's like just gas alone and the cost of supplies and equipment and maintenance of a car. Like, we were left with, I think we were making $1,000 each.
We left
$1,000 each a month.
I don't even know. I remember having $30 in my bank account thinking, oh shit.
Yeah.
Okay. Or putting gas on credit cards.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
We couldn't pay for gas.
It was legit a
but
game.
yet we still had to drive an hour and a half away.
Yeah.
But we'll put it on
the
credit
days
card.
of putting $10 on that card,
my God,
$15 on that card, $8 on this card.
I remember when I think your mom was in the car with us and she was coming to clean at some point. I don't remember when it was, but we were all in the car at the gas station together, pumping gas. I wanted a pack of gum. And your mom was like, oh, I'll get it for you. I'm like, no, I'll get it. Don't worry about it. I just wanted a pack of gum. So I went in and got it. My card declined. There was no money in the account. There was nothing there. I couldn't even buy a pack of gum.
But I think that's one of those things I think other companies need to know, that, you know, it's not going to be success right away. No. It's going to be hard.
Yeah.
And it's, you know, it's worth so much more because of how hard it was.
Right.
Because you rode the storm out. Because perseverance, you know. When we talk about those nights of getting home and being beat, tired.
Oh, man.
Oh, my
and
God.
Then,
you know how good it felt to lie in the bed?
Oh, my God.
But then,
I remember.
Would we go to sleep right away? No. Because we would be having, the thoughts were in our head, did I do this? Did I do that?
Right.
Nobody's on the hook at that point other than you, because we were the ones cleaning.
Right. You're not only an hour away from home, or you have to go there, clean all day long, drive back, and lay in bed and think, oh, did I lock those doors?
Yeah.
And it's on you if you don't lock those doors to whatever it's a doctor's office, a school. In this case, it was a school. Do you remember that, Ricky?
Yeah, I remember.
We went to the school.
We had just gotten home.
We got home, laid in bed, thought, oh my God, my body hurts so bad. I can't wait to go to bed. To think, did we lock the doors? To get back into the car, drive another hour or so back to check the doors. They were locked.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But we felt good, though.
Well, it was good that we felt good. We're like,
I mean, it's okay talking about it now, but
now,
at
the time I was like, oh shit.
Damn. No, but I think, like I said, it tastes so much better now because of that. Mm-hmm. And I think everybody needs to remember that. Like when you're starting off, if it's easy, it's not gonna taste as good. It's not gonna feel as good, man. Mm-hmm. It's got to be hard for you to just appreciate it more, because when things like what's that saying, I don't know exactly how it goes, but it's saying pretty much what I'm saying, that nothing is not worth as much if there's no struggle in it,
right?
Oh yeah, I forgot what.
I mean, we'll just think about like how many times we failed. Right?
Oh man,
we failed many times. How many services did we lose money on? But we knew going into it, and this is why it's all mindset. It's all positive mindset, reinforcing each other's confidence, knowing that we could mess up, but we're going to learn from it to be better the next time, right? And I tell the story all the time about mine and yours first stripping bats, but if it wasn't for that day, like we wouldn't have known that machine is supposed to create soot like that, or that Ricky, you're supposed to dilute. You're supposed to dilute the stripper. I didn't dilute the freaking stripper.
He had a red Solo cup, putting stripper in it, and then pouring it, and then I went over there, and that tile was like
it was white. It was white.
You could
but I'll tell you what,
through it.
We spent 24 hours.
You paid for that stripper
on a job that we bid for 8 hours.
Like we got there at 8 a.m. and left at 10 at night or whatever the case may be, but 2 a.m. and that's like 16 hours times 3.
Yeah.
And we bid it for like 6 to 8.
Yeah.
And
I'll tell you what, though.
we're still worried. Like, is they going to be happy? But we did. We let
they
it
were
looking
happy.
good.
The client was happy. Why? Because the floor shined.
Well, you know what?
So, but again, that talks
about. But
about.
the client didn't even we paid for that.
We paid for the job 10 times over.
Yeah.
Like we're still paying for the job, and that's what everybody that is in this industry needs to know is, if you're building a cleaning company, you should want to do everything yourself first, man.